About this item: wide applicability, office supplies, bedroom, wardrobe, kitchen utensils, water heaters, etc. Standard laminated tape, high temperature, water resistant, anti-corrosion, anti-UV, persistent. Size 12mm, 1/2*8mm, 26.2, color black. Writing on white tape. Compatible product. Replacement for Ptouch label tape. TZe-231 used for Ptouch, PT1230 PC, PT1280, PT1280 SR, PT1290, PT1880, PTH100, PTD200, PTD210, PTD400, PTD480, PTD450, PT2030, PT2030 VP, PT2430 PC, PTP700, PTP750W, PTD600, PT2730, PT2730 VP, GL100, GLH100, PT1000, PT1000 BM, PT1010, PT1010B, PT1010NB, PT1010R, PT1010RDT, PT1010s, PT1090, PT1090BK, PT1100, PT1100QL, PT1100SB, PT1100SBVP, PT1100ST, PT1120, PT1130, PT1160, PT1170, PT1170s, PT1180, PT1180SC, PT1180SP, PT1190, PT11Q, PT1200, PT1280BT, PT1280SP, PT1280TG, PT1280VP, PT128AF, PT1290BT, PT1290BT2, PT1290Rs, PT1290SBVP, PT1300, PT1400, PT1500, PT1500 PC, PT1600, PT1700, PT1750.